Welcome to the Enchanted Forest, where our furry and feathery friends are having a magical day with their adorable babies. Let's start with the rabbits. Look at the fluffy bunny family. Do you know what baby rabbits are called? That's right, baby rabbits are called kits. Hop, hop, hop. Oh, what do we have here? It's a meadow full of sheep and their little ones. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And what do we call baby sheep? You got it! Baby sheep are called lambs. Ba, ba! Now let's swing into the jungle, where the mischievous monkeys and their babies are playing in the treetops. Do you know what baby monkeys are called? That's right! Baby monkeys are called infants. Swing, swing, swing! Shh! We're diving into the deep ocean, where the wise dolphins and their little ones are swimming gracefully. Can you spot them? What are baby dolphins called? Fantastic! Baby dolphins are called calves. Dive, dive, dive! It's chilly in the Arctic, but the cute penguins and their babies are bundled up and sliding on the icy slopes. Do you know what baby penguins are called? Yes, indeed. Baby penguins are called chicks. So cool! We're now in the vast desert, where the majestic camels and their little ones are trekking through the sandy dunes. Can you guess what baby camels are called? Absolutely right. Baby camels are also called calves. Walk, walk, walk. Look over there. It's the king of the savannah, the lion with its adorable babies. Can you guess what baby lions are called? Great job. Baby lions are called cubs. Roar, roar, roar. Let's take a trip to the farm, where the friendly goats and their kids are frolicking in the fields. Do you know what baby goats are called? Absolutely right! Baby goats are called kids. In the peaceful pasture, the cows graze alongside their sweet calves. Can you tell me what baby cows are called? Yes, indeed! Baby cows are also called calves. Moo, moo, moo! Thank you for joining our extended animal adventures today. Until next time, my friends, keep exploring and learning about the wonders of the animal kingdom. Don't forget to like and subscribe.